From what the lawyers have said to the Chief Magistrate, one of that violation has to do with Mr. Bennett's correspondence, his communication. Apparently there are lots of information on WhatsApp between Mr. Bennett and an agent of the United States of America, either drug enforcement or money laundering or whatever. But that you can only use information from a person's telephone or text or any form of communication in accordance with the law of Belize, which is contained in the Interception of Communications Act. You can't go just broke in our man's phone and say, I see something, look here, whatever it is. There is a procedure to get into phone. Look, I'm glad I'm in front of you. The police like grab the boy and take their phone and start to go in it or keep it for a week or 2 weeks and take out all the information. All of that is illegal. You can only go into a person's telephone by getting an order from the Supreme Court in which an application has to be made and reasons have to be given. And the court will make an order to BTL or to SMART to allow the police or the authorities to look into a person's telephone records. Once you grab people's phone and go look in and got you 3-4 weeks and make lists and all kind of thing. In this case, they're saying the American agents want to use communication information against Mr. Bennett and that they may have obtained that information in violation of the law and that the law only allows a certain procedure, but that law is also a part of the constitutional right to privacy and to the protection of your correspondence. So that is a violation of one constitutional right that citizens, including Mr. Bennett, has. And so the lawyers are saying, Chief Magistrate, do not proceed with this extradition hearing because a constitutional issue is involved at this early stage, and we wish for the Supreme Court to clear that up before we proceed. Because if the Supreme Court strikes it down, and the evidence or the information is based solely on what was happening with the WhatsApp communications, the extradition case could very well fall apart.